Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a legal intake app using LawDepot and no-code tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the LawDepot website. Create an account by selecting the option to sign up. Provide the required information such as your email address and a secure password. Once you have created your account, log in to access the templates. Search for legal intake forms relevant to your needs. Choose a form that aligns with the specific legal service you are offering. Review the template to ensure it meets your requirements. Customize the form according to your preferences. Add specific sections that gather necessary client information. Make sure to include fields for name, contact information, and case details. Once you are satisfied with your form, save the changes. Next, visit a no-code platform such as Airtable, Google Forms, or Typeform. Log in or create an account on the chosen no-code platform. Start a new project or form within the platform. Import or manually recreate the legal intake form you created in LawDepot. Organize the fields for a user-friendly experience. Test the form to ensure all fields are functioning correctly. Consider adding conditional logic for complex intake needs. Once the form is complete, set up notifications to alert you when a submission is made. Publish the form to make it accessible to clients. Share the link via email or embed it on your website. Monitor submissions regularly to ensure prompt responses to inquiries. Make adjustments based on initial feedback to improve the intake process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.